Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to solve one example based on gradient. Let's get started. What is given in the question? Let me first read the question. If phi equals to 3x square y minus y cube z square, find del phi. Del phi is nothing but gradient at 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. We know the formula of del phi. What is the formula of del phi? Del phi is nothing but I cap dou phi by dou x plus j cap dou phi by dou y plus k cap dou phi by dou z. This formula we are going to use to solve this example. This formula is discussed in video number 1 of introduction to vector differentiation. यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर हुआ कैसा? तो देखो I cap del by del dou by dou x of phi. What is phi is given in the question? 3x square y minus y cube z square plus j cap dou by dou y of phi 3x square y minus y cube z square plus k cap dou by dou z phi. Let me put the value of phi 3x square y minus y cube z square. If you want to solve this example, you know what is partial differentiation. We are going to use the concept of partial differentiation. I cap dou by dou x, it implies all y and z are constant. We are differentiating with respect to x, so it will be dou by dou x of this function. It will come 3. Differentiation of x square will be 2x and y is constant y, and y cube and z square are constant, so it will be 0. All of you have understood. Plus j cap, differentiation of y and remaining x and z are constant, so it will be 3x square. Differentiation of y will be 1 minus differentiation of y cube will be 3y square and z square will be constant plus k dou by dou z. Differentiation with respect to z, y and x are constant. Here it will be 0 because x and y are constant, minus y cube. Differentiation of z square will be 2z. Understood this all of you? We have just used the concept of partial differentiation. We have to further simplify. Here it will be 3 into 2 will be 6xy. Understood? Plus j cap 3x square minus 3y square z square plus k cap minus 2y cube z. Let me check we have done the correct or not. We have done the correct partial differentiation or not. First will be I 6xy plus j cap 3x square minus 3y square z square plus k cap minus 2y z cube. We have to find the del phi at 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. So we have to find del phi at which value? At 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. To put the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2 and z equals to minus 1 in above function. I cap 6x की वैल्यू 2x की वैल्यू 1 पुटअप किया, y की वैल्यू क्या होगा यहाँ पे? y की वैल्यू -2. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. प्लस j कैप 3x स्क्वायर, मतलब x की वैल्यू 1 पुटअप करेंगे, माइनस 3y स्क्वायर विल बी -2 का स्क्वायर, z स्क्वायर विल बी -1 का होल स्क्वायर, प्लस k कैप k cap, we have to put the value of x, y and z. So we have to put the value of x, y and z. Minus 2 y cube will be minus 2 whole cube and z will be minus 1. Understood? We have just put the value of x, y and z. Our del phi will be I. 6 into 2 minus 2 will be minus 12 plus j cap 3 minus 3 into 4. We have to just simplify 3 into 4 plus k cap minus 2 into minus 8. Understood? Minus 2 cube will be minus 8. We have to further simplify what we are getting. And del phi will be minus 12 I cap. Understood? Minus 12 I cap. Here will be 3 minus 12 will be minus 9 j cap plus k minus 2 into minus 8 will be minus 2 into minus 8. Let me check once again we have done some error or not. Here will be 1 minus 1 again will, because minus 2 into minus 2 ka whole cube will be minus 8. 1 minus 1 is remaining. We have to just, here will be minus 1. Understood this? So minus 2 into minus 8 will be minus plus 16 into minus 1 will be minus 16. Understood? So del phi will be minus 12 I cap minus 9 j cap minus 16 k cap. We have to just find the value of del phi at 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. This is our answer. Answer will be del phi equals to minus 12 I cap minus 9 j cap minus 16 k cap. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I will end this lecture here. Bye bye.